Hi guys, I'm Rachel with Pink Greens, and today I'm going to show you how to make an energizing and firming face mask. We only have 4 ingredients. We have coffee beans, honey, turmeric, and farm fresh eggs. So we'll start with 2 tablespoons of our coffee beans, and we're going to put them into the grinder. Once you're done grinding the coffee beans, you just want to get the grounds and add them to your bowl. And next we're going to add the honey. So we're going to do a tablespoon of honey. This will be a little hard, but it'll dissolve into the face mask and it'll be some really good texture, and it's very hydrating for your skin too. And then we're going to do about 1 inch worth of turmeric. So we just want to cut the turmeric and then give it a quick peel, and then we're going to just run it through a garlic press to mash it up and get it into the face mask. So then we're going to take the whites of 2 eggs, but you'll save the yolks because I'm going to do another recipe for a hair mask and you'll use the yolks in that. So make sure you get really good quality eggs if you can. Ooh. And we're going to go put the white into our face mask, and then we'll save the yolk in a separate bowl for the hair mask. 2 of them. And the white is what makes this face mask so good for your skin. It tightens while it dries and it makes it feel like you have a facelift. It's really cool. And then we're just gonna take all the ingredients and give them a really good mix. You'll kind of have to work in the honey, but you want to just incorporate everything together. And this is actually enough for probably 5 different face masks. So you can either share with a friend or you can put it in a little mason jar, and it's gonna last you a couple days. Just, you know, you could just leave it in your bathroom and use it before you take a shower. Make sure you have a cucumber on hand so that you can put the cucumber slices on your eyes while you're waiting with the mask on for it to dry. Cucumbers are really good. You see them all the time, and the reason they're good is because they've got vitamin E, which is a wrinkle reducer, and also because the coolness of the cucumber is really anti-puffiness for your eyes. So slice up a couple pieces, and you could even eat it. The vitamin A is really good for your skin also. I know I'm gonna look a little crazy, but the next step is just applying this to your skin. So it's a little bit funny looking and goopy, but you'll see that as you put it on and as it dries, the egg starts to like dry on your skin and really firm and tighten it up, and it feels amazing. And also the turmeric is, you know, a superfood that usually we're consuming, but it's actually really great for your skin as well. And it's a natural protector. And you'll find it almost kind of turns your skin just a really light kind of tannish orange, which is kind of fun because I almost feel like it made me a little bit tanner when I put it on for a short period of time. So you can put it, you know, kind of close to your eyes. You want it definitely in these little crow's feet area or any area that you're prone to wrinkles, because it'll just tighten it right up. You can even put it, since it's all edible food, you can put it almost like on your lips too, and it kind of makes a nice little mask for the skin on your lips. And you can even, if you're gonna be taking a shower soon, you can even put it like down your neck and onto your chest. It's really good for that skin too. Okay, so there it is. And now what you're gonna do is just wait for 10 to 20 minutes and let it really tighten up. And you can even get your cucumber slices and put those on your eyes. So I left the mask on for 20 minutes. You can leave it on anywhere from 10 to 20, but you want it to just totally dry so it really starts to tighten up. And then you're just gonna rinse it off. You can get in the shower or you can wash it off with a warm washcloth and hot water like I'm going to. But it's amazing how like firm and smooth your skin will feel after this. Watch out because there's coffee grounds. And it also, just the coffee is really like energizing and refreshing. You can smell the fresh coffee on your face. And you just want to be careful because turmeric can stain. So make sure you have a washcloth that you don't mind staining if it doesn't come out. So we're all done with the face mask. My skin feels super smooth and refreshed and energized. And you can use this mask whether you have oily skin or dry skin. It's all natural ingredients, so it'll really just kind of bring you back to a nice balanced and refreshed tone. So thank you so much for watching, and please leave any questions in the comments below. Bye!